Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to report someone else's story on Instagram. If you see something that is against the guidance and the rules, you want to make sure that you do the right thing. So first thing, let's find a story, for example, that you want to report. Here all you gotta do is to click on the upper right and you want to click on the three dots. The first option over here is report the post, right? If you click report a post, you're gonna have an option to choose what is wrong with the post, right? What is the reason for your report? Very important, your reports on Instagram are anonymous. The only time when your report is not anonymous is when you actually claim intellectual property infringement. So this means that if you claim that something is your own, you gotta show up who you are, right? So this is how you essentially report someone on Instagram, and this is how you essentially report a story or something wrong with a particular post. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.